In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trade XAUUSD on TradingView. Let's dive into this step-by-step guide, which will help you become more comfortable navigating the platform. First things first, open your preferred web browser and head over to the official TradingView website. If you don't already have a TradingView account, you'll want to create one. It's a straightforward process and provides you access to a wealth of features and trading tools. For those who already have an account, go ahead and log in using your credentials. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll find a wide array of options and tools available at your fingertips. After logging in, you'll be taken to your personal dashboard. From here, you'll want to open up your chart. The chart is where all the magic happens, providing you with the visual data and indicators you need to make informed trading decisions. Now, with your chart open, you'll see a search bar prominently placed on the screen labeled Symbol Search. This is your gateway to finding specific tradable instruments. In that symbol search bar, you'll want to type in XAUUSD. This ticker represents the global currency pair for gold versus the US dollar, a popular choice for many traders due to its volatility and liquidity. Once you've entered XAUUSD, you'll see it appear in the drop-down list. Make sure to select it by clicking on it once. Doing so will update your chart to display the pricing data for XAUUSD, giving you a real-time look at how this instrument is performing. Now that your chart is displaying XAUUSD, you might feel ready to start trading. Trading on TradingView is intuitive. Look towards the lower section of your chart area and you'll find the buy and sell buttons. These are your trading action buttons, enabling you to execute trades directly from your chart. If you're looking to buy XAUUSD, click the buy button. This initiates a long position where you profit from a price increase. Conversely, if you anticipate the price will drop, you can click sell to open a short position, allowing you to benefit from a decrease in price. To ensure successful trading, take advantage of the various analysis tools and indicators available on TradingView. They can provide valuable insights and help you develop a more nuanced strategy. Also, it's always advisable to keep an eye on news and economic events that could influence the value of gold or the US dollar. That's it. You've learned how to navigate TradingView and enter trades for XAUUSD. Remember, practice makes perfect, so take your time getting acquainted with the platform. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it boosts your trading confidence. Until next time, happy trading.